Tremendous Tractors by Tony Milton and Aunt Parker. Tremendous, chuggy tractors. So sturdy and so strong. Connecting up to farm machines and pulling them along. Their big black tires have solid treads, which help them not to slip. These chunky treads can chew the ground and get the wheels to grip. A tractor works on farmland, so its body must be tough. It sits up high above the ground, for farmland can be rough. To grow their crops, the farmers have to start by sowing seed. But first, to break the ground up, a plow is what they need. A tractor pulls the plow across the field, up and down. The plow blades cut the soil into furrows, rich and brown. The tractor hauls the harrow next to break the soil some more. The metal discs crush up the clods. That's what the harrow's for. It's time to roller now. The long tube rolls around to flatten out the field, pushing stones beneath the ground. The seed drill has a hopper seed box that you fill. When it's time for planting, the tractor pulls the drill. The seed drill makes a row of grooves in which the seeds can drop. The spikes then rake a covering of soil across the top. If the crop's a hay crop, you mow it when it's grown. The grass is left in tidy rows to dry when it's been mown. Later on, a barley scoops the stalks up from the ground and shapes them into bales, which are bundles, square or round. A bale of hay is heavy, so it's very hard to lift. Bale fork on a tractor makes it easier to shift. If the crop's a grain crop, when harvest time is here, a great big combine harvester can get the whole crop clear. It cuts the stalks and threshes them to knock the grain right out, then spreads the straw behind it as the grain spills from the spout. A tractor with a trailer shifts bales of straw or hay, takes food to hungry animals, or carries crops away. The tractor and the farmer work hard and do their best, so when the day is over, they both deserve rest. Tractor bits. Tire. This has chunky treads to help the wheel grip bumpy or slippery ground. Bale fork. This is for lifting bales of hay or straw and moving them around. Seed drill. This scratches small grooves in the ground for planting seeds. Hopper. This holds the seeds and blows them out through a row of tubes. Blade. A plow has sharp blades or shears to cut into the ground and turn the soil. Spikes. These moves through the ground to cover the seeds after they drop. The end. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.